respectable supervisor, and my beloved audience. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Assalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. All praise be to Allah who has given us the mercy and the blessing until we can meet together in this place today. So, salawat and salam to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who has brought us from the darkness into the lightness, from Jahiliyah era into Islamiyah era. Okay, my friends, my name is Anissa Tribahira and I am a student in Islamic Community Development, Faculty of Dakwah and Communication, UIN Araniri, Banda Aceh. Now I am standing here. I want to deliver you guys my speech about the title, The Impact of Social Media on Mental Health. In daily life, we inevitably engage in communication. Communication that happen in our daily life is called speaking. If the distance between people is far, communication is done by sending message or letters. However, with the time progress, mobile phones emerge as a communication aid, which is certainly very useful in our daily life, especially for those who live far apart. But as time continues to advance, mobile phones have also undergone significant change, from being able to only hear voice to now having advanced features such as cameras or video calls, which are very functional for human life in this modern era. Half of our lives now depends on social media. There are many things we can do on our social media, one of which is personal branding, which can make important things like job searching easier. Did you know social media not only has a positive impact, but also many negative impacts? All the things we do in our life, it also gonna give big impact for our mental health. Social media is one which gonna give a big effect to our mental health. And now I'm gonna tell you the positive impact of social media. First, personal branding. Personal branding really helps our future, because our future is what happened today and what we done today. Next, expansive learning connection. For students or learners, it makes finding important information like school archive easier. These positive impacts exist because people use social media according to its purpose. But if we use it in a wrong way, it's also gonna give the negative impacts. So many negative impacts that gonna happen in our life if we use our social media in a wrong way. First, sleep problem. Sleep problem happen because we forgot the time and forgot to manage our daily activity. And second, addiction. As you can see guys, nowadays so many children or teenagers that addicted to games. So many games that we can download for free on Play Store or App Store. It's also gonna give very bad impact to ourselves, especially for the next generation. Next, self-comparison. When we see another people's skill on our social media, it can be Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and the others, it's gonna make us forget our skill. And for the last thing of the negative impacts of social media is fear of missing out. That we used to know as FOMO. All the teenagers want to follow all the trends. It can be TikTok trends or Instagram trends. It's really gonna give us a bad impact because usually the trend is not all good and support our future. These negative impacts these negative impacts happen because misuse of social media, or the people who use social media use it in a wrong way. So how to fix those problems? Okay, I'm gonna tell you by suggestion to reduce the negative effects. First, limit social media time. Many of us forgot the time when we used to use our gadget or social media. So that we need to limit the social media time. Reducing daily time spent on social media can help us decrease its negative impacts on our mental health. Second, control the content you access. As the people who use social media, it's our freedom to use it in a right way or in a bad way. But control the content that you access. It's gonna give you the very positive impacts. Choosing to follow positive and educational accounts can create a better experience. And the last, digital detox. Occasionally, taking a break from social media can provide an opportunity to recharge and focus on real-life interaction. Okay, I think we in my final speech. So what I want to tell you the conclusion of my speech. The impact of social media on mental health largely depends on how it is used. While connectivity and social support can offer great benefits, excessive use and negative exposure can also pose risk to mental well-being. And the last but not least, let's use our social media in the very right way, because our future is depend what happen today and what we do on our social media. I think that's all from me. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.